All right, I'm going to show you how to make this kind of elongated, like flying geese almost, quilt block. So I've got 3 pieces for each of the blocks, and if you make more than one, it's a lot better because then you don't have as much waste. But I've got my background color of the large area in the center, and then I have 2 for the outside points. So for the center, we are going to fold this in half, and we are going to make just a hard pinch at the top. And then I'm just going to use that for reference. So I'm going to open it back up. I'm going to line up my corner with the top of that pinch, and I'm going to make a cut, and then I'm going to rotate my ruler and repeat it for the other side. So those are set aside. You can use them for, they're just scraps, so they're not used in this quilt block, but you can use them for other pieces somewhere else. So now I need my outer points. So I'm going to cut 1 piece from the left or the right bottom to the left top diagonally. And you can see that this is going to equal the same shape, and so we can't, that won't work. So we do need another piece, and we need to cut the opposite of it. So we're going to go from the left bottom to the top right and make a cut. This is why if you're making more than 1 block, it's really good, because now you've got 2 pieces for each block. So I'm going to take one of these pieces and I'm going to line up the top point. This bottom edge or the point will overlap. So there will be a long tail on that bottom, and that's exactly how you want it to be. So you're going to stitch this 1/4 inch, and then you're going to press it open and repeat for the other side. I've already got my pieces sewn, so you're going to sew one and then you want to press it, because this, if you don't press it, this point will be a little bulky and funny, and then you'll get, it might have little puckers or overlap or something that just doesn't make it right. So you need to make sure that you press after each time you stitch it on. Now what I'm going to do is square this up. I need my block to be 5 by 5. So what I really want to keep is the point down here. This is the most important to me. So I am going to make sure that my ruler is measuring 1/4 inch from that point. And then I'm going to line up as best I can the, I want my block to be 5 inches. So I'm going to look for the 5-inch registration mark and then the start of the ruler as well. So I just need to make sure that those are somewhat equal and on the points or on the edge of the 2 fabrics seam, and then this is 1/4 inch. So I've got it lined up pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and make my 2 cuts. So there's one edge and my top edge. Now I'm going to rotate the block so I can cut the other 2 sides. And again, my size is 5 by 5, so you just need to check the pattern that you are sewing this for. And then again, make sure that that top edge is 1/4 inch seam as well. I just need to scoot that up just a little bit. And now, got a little, didn't catch that. And now my block is a 5 by 5 and it is all finished. So I can start sewing them into the larger quilt block that I have planned.